How to redirect from homepage to product in Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to redirect your homepage to your specific product in Shopify store. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first we have to log into your Shopify account, and then in the dashboard you can go ahead to the online store here. And then in the theme page, as you can see, this is my theme. And I'm gonna click three dots here and then click edit code here. And then you will be redirected to your edit code page. So this is your website edit code page. So you can go to the search box here and then search same liquid layout, this one. You can click on it. And then we're gonna find head. So we're gonna add the code here in the above of this head, this one, and we're gonna put this code. So I have put the code in the description, you can check it. So we're gonna copy it and then we're gonna paste it here, and then don't forget you have to insert the URL, the product URL in your Shopify store. So we're gonna go back to the theme page here and then click view your store, and then it will open your store, and we're gonna go to catalog here or all collection and then click the collection. So let's say I want to promote this product, the black pin bag. So I'm gonna click on it, and then I'm gonna copy the URL or the link here in the top, copy it, and then in the edit code page you can paste it here like this. But basically we can just delete this, this one. So select this. So let's go back to the website. So if you click the website, it's still, in the home page. But after we save it, so let's say we're gonna save it, click save. And now let's start to refresh it. And it's redirected to your specific products. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.